So I just finished driving a Ram TRX, and though it doesn't sound as incredible as the TRX does, this Model 3 long range accelerates very well. No surprise there, though. So I have the auto steer on now. So as you can see, it's the lane centering technology. Really good though. And of course, with most Teslas in general, most EVs just based on the platform, but with this Model 3, what's very familiar to me after having one is just a bouncy ride. It's not uncomfortable, it's just really bouncy. And that's the adaptive cruise stopping the vehicle, bringing it to a complete stop. And I'm going to take that off and get in this lane here. But one thing that I really miss, and I have a Mach-E with, forgot what they call it. It's like a something 2.0. It's not Blue Cruise, but it's kind of the lane centering, the adaptive cruise. But you have to touch the steering wheel every so often. It really doesn't, it's probably a 90 on a scale of 0 to 100, but this would be probably about a 95, 96. The only issue I had with Tesla's auto steer was the car thought it was smarter than me, and a lot of the times it was not. But it's meant for people who, of course, don't pay attention while they're driving. But I really just love auto steer on these for the most part. And of course, one of the great things about having an EV is not having a super loud powertrain. The vehicle's very quiet. Even with the AC on almost full blast, that's really the loudest thing in this car. And it's still not intrusive at all. And that's why these sell so well. Let's give it a little pedal. And with the all-wheel drive, it just makes this car that much stickier to the ground. And even the rear-wheel drive ones, they still accelerate very well without feeling like you're gonna lose control, but it's just instant torque and you're just going. Even in this one, this isn't even the performance, and don't even get me started on the Model S, Model X plaids, but these are just quick cars. It's just crazy how they hug the road. Even when I give it throttle, it's like driving a go-kart. And the only issue with Teslas now is everyone, especially with the gas prices soaring over, I don't know how much it is in your area, but here in Tennessee, they got to like $4.30 or something a gallon. A lot of people who normally wouldn't want an EV have been in the market for Teslas especially, but even the Kia EV6, the Mustang Mach-E's, even the plug-in hybrids, you can't find those, and people are charging anywhere from 5 to 20, 25 grand over sticker to get one, and you can't even be mad at them because people are going out there paying for them. So it's hard to get in the market now, and I'm sure this used one, I think stickers, or I shouldn't say sticker, I think it's on sale for 65 to 68 grand or something like that with 10,000 miles on it, and the person who bought it probably did not pay that much for it, and it's just nuts that that's what the used car market is coming to. Here in the next few months, though, hopefully well, I shouldn't say hopefully, but I plan on it having a downturn, so we'll see how that affects the economy, and let alone the prices themselves for used vehicles, and new vehicles for that matter. Because if gas gets back to normal, you'll probably see the demand for EVs dwindle at least a little bit. But Teslas, they're kind of a trophy in that sense. You know, it's cool to have one, blah, blah, blah. So the market for those probably won't dwindle. But your Mustang Mach-E's, especially all of these manufacturers that are losing their EV tax credit, might see somewhat of a dip in their market share. But I will tell you, putting your foot in these never gets old.